Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, may I be pleased to mention hearing number, item number 25, 26, and 27, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, if it can be posted after 3 weeks. The petitioner counsel is also like not available. He made an intimation over the phone.
On the prayer of MS Levika, the Learned Government Advocate, listed up to 3 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'd like to mention hearing item number 28 on behalf of Senior BB Board Lordship. If this matter can come up after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Mr. Swenson, Learned Counsel, makes a mention on behalf of Mr. P. People. Learned Counsel for the
Respondent number 4.
respondent number 4, and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, or listed accordingly.
Lordship, interim may be continued.
Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay.
Right.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item 33 and 34. On behalf of Senior BB Board Lordship.
33 and 34.
Lordship.
Same.
For the respondent, 1 and 2.
Okay, same prayer.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Lordship.
Yes, please.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 31, hearing item number 31. Lordship, if this matter can be listed after a week.
You are the counsel for the,
Petitioner, Lordship.
you are
Nsukachi, Lordship.
on the prayer of Mr. Nisika Jishi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, listed after a week. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Mr. Lordship.
Yes,
Your Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 29 and 30. Your Lordship, kindly list the matter after 2 weeks.
Crisino,
Yes, my Lord.
on the prayer of MSK Crisino, learned counsel for the petitioner, listed after 2 weeks.
Obliged. Mr. Lordship,
Yes,
beg to
ma'am.
mention item number 32 on behalf of the council.
Item number,
32 on behalf of the council for the petitioners. Lordship, the council is in disposal. If the matter could come after 2 weeks.
you're mentioning on behalf of
Justice Ole.
MS Sonso, learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Zasid Soleh, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed according. Okay.
For motion, item number 1.
May I please, Lordship?
Heard, Mr. Sonso. Learned counsel for the petitioner. The case of the petitioner in brief is that petitioner's late husband died in harness on 17/12/2023 while serving as primary teacher GPS Yangpong A, Longland, under the establishment of senior SDO Longland, Nagaland. Subsequent to the demise of the petitioner's husband, the petitioner submitted the application dated 27/5/2024, praying for appointment on compassionate ground. In terms of the office memorandum dated 17/9/2015, issued by the government against any vacant grade 4 post under the Department of School Education, Nagaland, Kohima. However, despite the representation submitted by the petitioner, no positive action was taken by the government on the representation submitted by the petitioner. Hence the present application, hence the present petition. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. MS Estam, Lieutenant Government Advocate, accepts notice on behalf of the state respondents. Stop. The Lieutenant Counsel for the petitioner shall serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the Lieutenant Government Advocate when
Course of the day, during the
in the
course of
course.
the day. Obliged, Lord.
For admission, item number 2.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes.
The Lordship, a week may be granted to file affidavit in reply.
For the 2 weeks time, is granted to the Lieutenant Counsel for the petitioner to file affidavit in reply.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 3.
Yes.
Lordship, I have taken step on the private assurance by justice service. So it's not to be complete
You're for the petitioner, Mr.
Well-
Yamapati? For the petitioner?
for the petition.
You were supposed to file a affidavit in reply.
Since the respondent, they have not appeared so far, I'm waiting for the private resolution to appear. Otherwise, if he does not appear, then I will not apply from my affidavit.
Who is the respondent number 5? And by which order you were asked to serve notice?
One term of Kitan, Worship.
By which order?
By order dated 13/8/2024.
13/8.
8/2024.
13. Eight.
8, yes.
So 13, 1-3. 1-3 is not there.
31/8. Worship.
31/8. 31
I'm
is
sorry, Worship. 31/8.
Where's your affidavit?
I have filed my affidavit of service. I've already filed my affidavit. That's this.
That's why. When?
That is on 19/9.
19/9.
Yes. Yes.
Mr. Yamawati, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Longcomer, the learned government advocate for the state respondents. So, in terms of the order dated 31/8/2024, the petitioner has filed the affidavit dated 29/2024, stating service of notice upon the respondent number 5 by dusty process. So there is, however, no representation on behalf of the respondent number 5 when the matter is called to be. Stop. The service of notice upon respondent number 5 is therefore deemed served. Is accordingly deemed served. Are you filing a reply?
No, much. I'm not filed, Worship. That is where we listed for it.
Mr. Yamawati, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that it will not be necessary for the petitioner to file affidavit in reply. In that way of the matter, listed for hearing after 3 weeks.
Usual course, Worship.
After,
In the usual course.
in the usual course.
Much obliged. Nice.
For admission, item number 4.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner has filed one additional affidavit, bringing on record that the respondent department has appointed around 187 MTS employees after the interim order was issued, and basing on which this honorable court has asked me to receive instruction on this particular affidavit, additional affidavit, your lordship. I have received one instruction, your lordship, dated 28th of April, if I may be allowed to place this on record, your lordship.
You file affidavit on that.
Lordship,
You
lordship,
file your-
lordship.
Mr. N. Angami, the learned senior government advocate submits that on the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner, he has received the necessary instructions and will be filing the rejoinder affidavit. Stop. 2 weeks' time is accordingly granted to the learned senior government advocate to file the rejoinder.
Deeply obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 5.
Please, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, the states has filed their counter, Your Lordship, stating that the petitioners will be considered as per the OM for service regularization. So in that case, Your Lordship, the petition will be disposed of, Your Lordship.
What is your case?
Lordship, the petitioners, they are all governed by the OM 2015 for service regularization after serving for 30 years in service.
And where is the affidavit of the government? Stating that the
Paragraph batch for Lordship.
Last paragraph, Lordship.
yours is for regularization of service
Lordship.
in terms of this 17/3/2000.
Lordship.
Nothing is annexed in support of your elements.
Yes, Lordship.
What to do?
Your Lordship, in their statement, Your Lordship, if they have clearly stated that they are actively considering,
Who has filed this affidavit?
Your Lordship.
Additional secretary, okay. Okay. So we dispose in terms of this
Lordship.
elements. Okay. We'll pass the order, dispose.
Lordship.
For admission, item numbers 6 to 9.
Yes,
May I please, Your Lordship?
yes, Mr. Chair.
My lord, in item number 8.
Ah.
My lord, last time. No, item number 8. My last time, Lordship, this honorable court passed an order to seek a clarification with regard to the advertisement of 7 April, whether the vacancy advertised belongs to the general vacancies or the vacancy reserved for the special recruitment drive for the doctors. So the learned,
What is that order, Mr. Thakur?
if Lordship may kindly see the last order passed on 22nd,
In WPC
WPC 239,
307.
239, Lordship.
WPC 23. Which order, Mr. Thakur?
22.
22,
4,
22, 4,
25.
24 to 25. It is not here. In which WPC that order was?
My lord, a command order was passed.
24, 24, 22, 4, 25.
Lordship, order must have been passed in WPC 187 because the command order was passed.
22 for 2025.
Yes, Lordship.
Necessary instructions, necessary on the as regards the report of in item number. As to whether the birth application or the person included in this procedure, which is a subject matter of the. Yes,
Lordship,
yes, ma'am.
disregard the 30 posts which was published by the NPSC does not cover the post of the petitioner.
Special recruitment, right?
Yes.
Does not cover it.
Well, a necessary order may be passed accordingly, Lordship, because
Yes.
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 13.
Just wait, just wait. Any written instruction, ma'am?
No, no written instruction.
Okay. In all the writ petitions, affidavit filed.
PVC 239 is the latest.
239. Okay.
Last issue, if I order it in 243. Fine.
Huh.
The private order number 427 You are not valid. If I register identified by the phone number 4. But in the key to get it.
In which?
The PVC 239.
239. Yes, Mr. Jamir.
Your Lordship, if another 2 weeks may be
Okay, and
granted.
Mr. Tushilong Kumar.
I filed it.
Yeah, right, okay. So it is only from, for 13 to 18. Mr. Thaga, you are for?
My lord, I'm for 19 to 23 and 25 to 101.
Respondents,
Yes, lordship.
you have filed your affidavit?
Yes,
Okay.
and rejoinder also filed by the petitioner.
Okay. So, it is only in 239,
Sorry.
okay? In terms of the order passed by this court on 22/4/2025, MSV Socrates submits that the 34th of medical officer in item number 9 of the advertisement dated 7/4/2025 are not the post included in the special recruitment drive, which is the subject matter of the present case. Stop. So it is only Mr. Jamir who is to file affidavit. Mr. Jamir. Learned counsel for the respondent number 13 to 18 in WPC 239/2024 is further allowed 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Listed accordingly. Yes. Yes. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
In that matter, the petitioner has a very specific prayer. The petitioner will allowed to participate in the recruitment when it is conducted on 26 August 2024. So the 2024 is already gone, means that recruitment, it is kept an abeyance.
It is
Kept an abeyance. No more recruitment in this matter.
in item 7.
Yes, item 7.
Uh,
So the prayer of the petitioner is very specific. He may be allowed to participate in the recruitment, which is going to be conducted on 26/8/2024.
So that recruitment is no more there.
No, it is kept an abeyance. Yes.
It's kept in abeyance. So let us
Lordship,
hear.
it was deferred for 2 weeks, not kept in abeyance.
Okay.
It was deferred, not abeyance.
Okay. So I think no order need to be passed. Okay.
Lordship, in item number 9,
Ah,
WPC 307/2024,
hmm,
affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent I have just received.
Okay.
So benefit of a rejoinder in 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
You're for the petitioner,
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Takamasa, the Linear Senior Counsel for the petitioner in WPC 307/2024 is also allowed 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in.
Yes, much obliged.
For admission, item number 10.
May I please, your
Yes.
lordship? By court order dated 11 April 2025, we were allowed to take first steps through substitute notice
Ha,
upon respondent number 5, 6, and 7.
correct, correct.
And accordingly, with effect to that, we have filed affidavit on 17 April 2025.
In two local newspapers. In
Yes,
two
Lordship.
local newspapers.
Yes, lordship.
Which are the papers? Where is your affidavit? Let us see. In Nagaland Post and Nagaland Post.
Nagaland Post and Morong.
Yes, in Nagaland Post, which page is the advertisement published? Which page? Nagaland Post?
Page 4, lordship.
Page 4.
Page 4 in Nagaland Post.
Okay. And in this, Morong,
Page 3,
Okay.
lordship.
5, 6, and 7. Yeah. Mr. Mua,
Yes, my lord.
what is the government doing on this?
I have, of course, received the instructions, but I'm seeking some clarification as well as some documents I'm seeking from the Deputy Commissioner.
Oh, how can the government allow this village council or this persons to act in this manner?
Yes. that is the thing.
They are actually like
It's a
resorting
problem.
to action as if they are the ultimate authority.
Yes,
How can that be possible?
yes.
In a democratic setup, I think nobody is above the law. Be he or she may be however high.
Yes, yes.
Nobody is above the law. So on the next day, we will ask you to produce instruction as to what action has been taken on this 5, 6, and 7. These are government institutions. Village council, this Yem Jong Kimong.
Yes,
If they are acting above the law, then the government can resort to so many actions.
yes. How should we file the stand up the state?
Not stand. I wonder what actions you have taken on 5, 6, and 7
Yes,
in view of the impugned declaration
yes.
resorted to by this 5, 6, and 7. What are the impugned these things? In fact, this calls for contempt of 5, 6, and 7. If they are deliberately avoiding the process issued by this court,
Yes.
and if the government is not taking any action on this.
This lordship, this village used to be like that.
No, you cannot
But
say that
yes,
they
yes.
used to be like that.
Yes.
They
Very
are
wrong.
actually
This is very wrong.
functionaries functioning under the state government.
Correct. Very wrong.
And if they are allowed to resort to such action, that actually does not reflect a good on the state government. There is a rule of law which has to be obeyed by everybody.
Yes.
We will not close this case against this person. I think we will summon them. We will even arrest them and bring them here, if the state government refuses to take any action. We'll issue judicial orders. We will not pass any order stating deemed served, in spite of you taking steps. We will keep this matter open for some time. What is your impugned orders? Mr. Moore, kindly take it seriously,
I'll do that, lordship.
please. Not only your instructions, but this court wants to know what action you have taken on this 5, 6, and 7. Let us see your impugned this declarations and all this. How can they? They will not be allowed to enjoy any facilities, benefits in spite of any judgment passed by any court. What is that?
Correct. Correct.
I think this is too much.
This is too.
We will not close the case against them. We will summon them. We'll bring them here. But we give you a last chance to know what actions you have taken.
Lordship.
If not, this court will issue judicial orders. Where is your impugned, this thing impugned declarations and all this?
Lordship, it runs from page 28. They have impugned.
Page,
It runs from 28, page 28 of the writ petition to 29. They are impugning 10 orders.
okay. You kindly on the next date, you see that you place what is action the government has taken.
Lordship.
Okay, we will not close this case against them. Okay,
Lordship.
we will make an observation that you have issued a substitute notice, that we will issue that. But we will not close this case against this respondent 5, 6, and 7. They should be taken for a ride. Customary law does not mean that they can pass any customary orders over. It should be in tandem with constitutional values at least. That is the law.
That is.
Any customary law which is in violation or which abrogates the constitution
Correct.
is void ab initio. Not MS and so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. In terms of the order dated 11/4/2025 caused by this court. The petitioner has taken steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5, 6, and 7. By publication of the notice in 2 local newspapers, namely the Nagaland Post and the Morong Express. There is a stop, comma. There is however no representation on behalf of respondent number 5, 6, and 7. Mr. Mwajami, the Learned Senior Government Advocate, shall on the next date obtain necessary instructions as to what steps / action has been taken by the government on the respondent number 5, 6, and 7. On the impugned decision / resolutions / letters passed by the respondent number 5, 6, and 7. The instructions sought for shall be positively placed before this court. This court also makes it very clear that necessary orders / actions shall be instituted against the respondent number 5, 6, and 7 only after receiving the necessary instructions from the government. Okay? Listed after.
3 weeks. Lordship.
Kindly place it.
Lordship.
Assess the court. We are all here to assess the court.
Lordship.
Okay? Not the court, the law.
Lordship.
So kindly bring instructions.
Yes.
And you should also advise the government that these things cannot be allowed to go on happening.
Yes.
Something has to be done so that the public can repose confidence in the government.
Yes.
Okay, listed after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 11. May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, my senior Fosiko Forte, who's the leading counsel for the respondent number 5, is indisposed today, Your Lordship.
Okay.
So if Your Lordship may kindly grant us 2 more weeks time, Your Lordship, to file our objection.
Objection to the amendment.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay,
Yes.
Mr. You have filed your, okay, Mr.
Vetovero.
Vetrovero. Learned Counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Fuseko, the Learned Counsel for the
Respondent number 5.
respondent number 5. And 6, adjournment of the case for 2 weeks for enabling the said respondent to file objection to the application for amendment. Prayer is allowed,
Lordship, in the interim may be continued.
listed after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
In the interim, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
Much obliged. From the supplementary cost list for admission, item number 35.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
On the last occasion, Your Lordship, the Council for the State have placed a office letter dated 8/5/2025, written by the Chief Engineer.
8/5.
2025,
Is
written
it?
by the Chief Engineer PHCT.
Uh,
Whereby the petitioners, there are two petitioners here. The petitioner number 2 has been regularized,
uh,
where this regularization order has been annexed at the last page, and
Oh.
then
Next,
last page, Lordship,
this is petitioner number 2.
Two, Lordship.
to Lordship. And then the petitioner 1, on the second page, they have stated that my name is also been forwarded to the government for service regularization, Lordship.
Which letter? Letter dated 7 November 2020.
Lordship, the second page of that particular office letter, second page. At
Se-
point number 1, Your Lordship.
No, which date?
Lordship, that date is not given, but then main letter is 8/5/2025. Signed on 8/5/2025.
Serial number 3 means where?
In the second page, Lordship.
Serial number 3, that will be at page number 4, Lordship. It PEC division, serial number 3. Now, since the petition number 1 is the serial number 1,
Nine Cho.
Get it,
3.
three, Lordship. In the PAC division, Lordship.
Katitsa.
Lordship. And then now the serial number,
Katitsa.
Lordship, that is the petition.
Katitsa. So by this letter dated 8/5, your name has also been sent for proposal.
Yes, Lord.
Your name has also been proposed for regularization. Is it?
Lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
By 17/11/2020, Lordship. The proposal letter is at page number 3 of the office letter, page number 3,
That is what I was asking you.
Lordship.
Request for proposal. Yes, so there's a this is annexure or what? What is this? List. Abstract of the proposal always as per annexure A. What is this, madam? Your annexures are not very clear. You also just come like this very casually. What is this? What is this? What is your annexure A or what? Certified district level verification. There is one more document, PNER. This is not relating to you.
This is with regard to PNR clearance, Lordship, showing that my name has also been
No,
clear.
where is that? That is why I must cake.
PAC division, Lordship.
My serial number is page serial number 220, Lordship. 220.
What is this? This serial number 220 is the annexure of the letter dated 17/11/2020. Yes, madam.
Yes, Lordship.
You are not able to even assist this court with your own document.
Lordship, serial number 218, Lordship.
218,
218, Lordship.
218.
Is petition number 2, Lordship. 218.
That's why this 218 has been regularized,
Lordship.
correct?
Lordship.
By this order dated
13 September.
13 September. And in terms of this letter, 17/11/2020. This PNAR noting is with reference to the letter dated 17/11/2020.
Yes, Lordship.
17/3/2000, nothing is mentioned. Which precedes which? Whether the letter dated 17/11/2020 precedes the noting of the PNR department, or the noting of the PNR department precedes the letter dated 17/11/2020.
Lordship, if I may, Your Lordship.
Yes.
This 17/11/2020 was the letter written by the chief engineer to the secretary. After that, only I think after that only the PNR have taken.
Don't think.
Harsh Lordship. After that, only the PNR is taking the steps, Lordship. Why?
Then
Because as per the
what
voice,
is this PNR noting dated? Is there any date?
Lordship, there is no noting date, Lordship.
No, Lordship.
How do this court assume?
So at this stage, Lordship, PNR has been declared. So finance, MRC, and in cabinet approval is yet to be done, Your Lordship. For petitioner number 1.
Where is that?
Second page
Second page.
of the office letter, Lordship.
Second page of the office letter.
Lordship. Now they are showing 4 stages, Your Lordship, but then since number A has been cleared, Your Lordship, I believe B, C, and D will be done, Your Lordship.
You kindly go through your letters and come tomorrow again.
Lordship.
Okay, kindly. I am not able to understand all your documents. Whenever actually documents are submitted by the department or officer concerned, I think you should also properly try to know what they are submitting. We'll listen tomorrow again.
Lordship, day after tomorrow, Lordship. Thursday, Lordship. Since tomorrow, Wednesday.
Okay. You have extra copy?
Yes, Lordship.
Anyhow, this is the original. Kindly apprise this court, okay,
Yes,
properly. List it again on. What is Thursday? 15.
15.
15 to 20, 15/5/2025.
For orders, item numbers 12 to 24.
What is this?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior TB Jamir
Okay,
for item number 18 to 24 for the petitioners.
18 to 24.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, fresh steps were taken upon the respondent number 7 and 8, but the service is still awaited.
18 to 24. When was the last order, ma'am? Return service awaited in respect of reference in the
17.
17 for yes, respondent.
Lordship, it's taking a long time. It's almost 2 months. So if notice may be deemed to have been served and to list the matter again for hearing.
No, unless we get the report of the notice served, it is very difficult. And let us see the office note. What is the office note? Return service report in respect of still awaited. Even the office note says that it is still awaited, ma'am.
Yes,
So-
Lordship.
Or why don't you take fresh steps?
Lordship, we have already taken.
Fresh steps?
Yes.
You have taken steps twice.
Yes.
Okay. Whether this I am Chin, whether you have filed your reply,
Yes. No, no, Lordship, we are yet to file.
you are yet to file.
12 to 17. Except item 13, there is we are yet to file.
You are to file this reply in which WPC? 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, correct? You are yet to file. Yes, and madam, you have finished your this pleadings?
Yes, Lordship, I filed.
Okay. What about the government?
Yes.
Okay. Akkam Owner, Learner Standing Council, Nagaland University.
Lordship, we have filed our affidavit in opposition.
You are for Nagaland University, man?
Lordship.
Okay. You are Mr. You are madam, your good name?
Procedural Lordship. For a
You
petitioner.
you are for I am Chin?
Yes, yes, yes.
I am Chin?
Yes, yes.
Okay, your good name?
Procedural Lordship.
MS so and so. Learned counsel for the petitioner in WPC 251/2022, comma, WPC number 252/2022, comma, WPC number 253/2022, comma, WPC number 254/2022, and WPC number 255/2022 is further allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 4 and 5. Correct. Registry to ascertain as to whether notice has been effected on respondent numbers 7 and 8 in WPC 259/2022, WPC number 260/2022, WPC number 261/2022, comma, WPC number 262/2022, comma, WPC 264/2022, and WPC number 265/2022. Okay, ma'am, we'll let the registry ascertain, okay?
Okay, Lordship.
Listed after 3 weeks.
Right.
Yes. Mr. Prisoner. Based on what?